Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about program level performance analysis. Execution time of program often varies with the input data values because those values select different execution path in the program. Cache has a major effect on program performance. Execution times may vary even at the instruction level. Floating point operations are the most sensitive to data values, but the normal integer execution pipeline can also introduce data dependent variation. Program performance is measured in following ways. Similar of CPU supplied by manufacturer. Timer connected to the microprocessor bus can be used to measure performance of executing sections of code. A logic analyzer can be connected to the microprocessor bus to measure the start and stop times of a code segment. Elements of program performance. Program execution time is given as execution time equal to program path plus instruction timing. The path is the sequence of instruction executed by the program. The instruction timing is determined based on the sequence of instruction traced by the program path, which takes into account data dependencies, pipeline behavior and caching. Program execution times depends on several factors. Input data values. Different values, different execution path. Cache behavior also dependent on input values. Instruction level. Floating point operations and pipelining effects. Program path offer insight into a program dynamic behavior that is difficult to achieve any other way, unlike simpler measures such as program profiles, which aggregate information to reduce the cost of collecting or storing data. Path captures some of usually invisible dynamic sequencing of statements. Examination of programs. Path has unveiled a striking degree of path locality, which the computer architecture and compiler communities have profitably exploited to increase program performance. Paths are useful at another level as a convenience abstraction for reasoning about a program's runtime behavior. A program path records a program's executable statements in the order in which they are in. For example, consider a simple function to add the even natural number from 1 to n. Int add even numbers. It is a integer value. Open brace int sum is equal to 0. This is the first S1 value. For integer j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus or plus equal to 1. It is a S2 and S3 state. S2 is a if j not a percentage 2 equal to 0. Otherwise, sum plus j. Otherwise, return sum. It's a simple program. When invoked with an argument of 3, this function executes the path S1 S2 S1 S2 S3 S1 S2 S1 S4. This type of path, which is also known as an instruction or statement trace, is unwieldy and difficult to manipulate for two reasons. First, its length is proportional to how long a program runs, and second, it must be read sequentially like a magnetic tape. Thank you.